ChatGPT is stealing your traffic and you don't even know it. That's not clickbait, it's reality. While you're focused on Google rankings, your potential clients are already asking my tools who to trust, and you're not even in the conversation. At the same time, Google, your longtime traffic ally, has quietly stopped being a search engine. It's becoming something else, a closed ecosystem, an answer engine, a machine that doesn't want anyone to leave. So yeah, the rules changed, but the game isn't over. In fact, if you understand this shift, you're ahead of 90% of marketers who still cling to what used to work. In this video, you'll learn how ChatGPT and AI platforms are quietly stealing your traffic and what to do about it. What GEO, Generative Engine Optimization, really means, why YouTube and real reviews drive results faster than 100 blog posts, and why in 2025 it's not about producing more content. It's about saying something worth remembering, where AI is listening. The death of SEO is a myth, but the death of old SEO is very real. People love to scream, SEO is dead, every time Google launches a new update or ChatGPT makes the news. But let's be clear, search hasn't disappeared, it just moved. We're not in the era of rank number one and they will come anymore. You can rank first on Google and still get 0 clicks because the space that used to belong to you, the organic result, is now eaten alive by AI summaries, YouTube embeds, Reddit discussions, product carousels, and answer boxes. Sometimes your beautifully optimized page is so far down, users never even scroll to it. But here's the twist. Despite all that, total SEO traffic hasn't actually decreased. In a study across 30,000 websites, organic traffic from Google increased slightly after the launch of AI overviews. Why? Because people are still searching, still looking for answers. They're just not clicking in the same way, and they expect to find different kinds of content when they do. So no, SEO isn't dead. But if you're still doing SEO like it's 2015, that is dead. It's not about ranking anymore. It's about being recommended. Let's talk about what's actually changed. When someone types a question into ChatGPT or Perplexity, they're not browsing a list of options. They get one answer, maybe two, and you want to be in that answer. That's the new game. The question is no longer, how do I get to the top of Google? It's, how do I become the business AI recommends? And AI doesn't just pick random content, it looks for real world signals. Is your messaging clear and specific? Do you have visible results? Are people talking about you on Reddit, in reviews, in blog posts? You listed in relevant directories? Do you have trust markers across multiple platforms? This is what we now call GEO, Generative Engine Optimization. It's not about keyword density, it's about credibility. So how do you become the business AI trusts? It starts with painful clarity. No more abstract positioning like, we empower growth through innovation. Say exactly what you do, for whom, and what result you drive. Example, we help small e-commerce brands double their conversion rates by fixing mobile checkout. That sentence wins with both AI and humans. Next, build a reputation off your website. AI isn't just scanning your homepage, it's reading Reddit threads, listening to podcasts, analyzing YouTube content, scraping product reviews and PR mentions. One of the fastest ways to boost your visibility, publish a list post. Write a top 5 your niche providers in 2025 article. Put yourself at the top, but be fair and useful in how you describe the other. AI tools love structured comparisons, and humans trust them too. And don't just chase stars. Get detailed, story-driven reviews. Helped us reduce lead costs by 43% in 90 days. Says more than 1,000 5-star ratings. Have a case study? Turn it into a press release. Tools like Cloud or ChatGPT can help you polish it. Services like Brand Push can get it distributed. You're not just reaching people, you're teaching AI that your business solves problems. And don't sleep on YouTube. It's the most underused SEO channel right now. YouTube hasn't been hijacked by AI yet. It's still fair, still visible in Google results, and still insanely powerful for building trust. Even better, YouTube content is now being cited in ChatGPT answers. That's right, we've seen it, we've tested it, and it works. You don't need a studio or a fancy setup. You just need to answer real questions directly. What does a good SEO report look like? How much should I budget for PPC in 2025? Use the full question as your title. Say it in the first 10 seconds. Put it in the description. Keep it simple, human, and helpful. Video builds trust 10 times faster than a blog post, and it lives on multiple surfaces. Let's kill another myth. More content equals more results. No. In fact, scaling content is one of the worst traps you can fall into today. Why? Because if ChatGPT can generate your article in 10 seconds, your audience and Google knows it. The web is flooded with generic, forgettable content. Don't add to the noise. Instead, ask yourself, can AI create this? And if yes, why would I? You win by doing what AI can't. Share real stories, build original frameworks, be willing to say what others aren't. Invest in quality. It's slower, but it works every time. Community is greater than content farms. Want to see what's actually ranking? Reddit, Quora, Product Hunt, Discord threads, private forums. Google is rewarding real conversations, messy, authentic, human. So build your own space. Start a Facebook group. Use Circle. Invite your clients and audience into dialogue, not just content. Why? Because that's one thing AI can't fake. And that's what people and search engines are hungry for. Stop selling SEO. Start delivering results. If you're running a marketing agency or your own brand, please stop selling SEO like it's 2012. Clients don't want SEO packages. They want outcomes. They want leads, visibility, conversions, and revenue. So position yourself like an investment strategist. You're not selling tactics. You're building a growth portfolio across platforms. YouTube visibility, topical authority, AI search presence, real-world trust signals. That's what works in 2025. That's what gets you seen and chosen. Final truth. The platforms changed, but the fundamentals haven't. Yes, Google moved the goalposts. Yes, AI tools reshaped the search journey. Yes, ranking isn't what it used to be, but humans still want the same things: clarity, credibility, confidence. They want to know who to trust. And that's the question you need to answer before they even reach your website. So forget the old rules. Forget the algorithm, build trust at scale, and you'll win no matter where your search goes next. If you're not sure whether your website is showing up in the right places or being completely ignored by AI tools, we can help. At Copify, we offer a free SEO and visibility audit tailored for 2025. We'll show you where you're currently being found or not, what's blocking your growth, and how to become the brand AI actually recommends. Just drop us a message or leave a comment with audit, and we'll send you a quick intake form. Let's make sure you're not optimizing for a version of Google that no longer exists.